Good morning. I'm meteorologist Dave Epstein. It's Thursday, the 27th of August. Let's get to our weather wisdom for today. I did not do one yesterday. I was dropping the kid off at college for the first time, freshman year. And here we go. We're back. And looks like a pretty nice day. We've got sunshine, temperatures today with a little bit of fog this morning. We'll get into the low to mid 80s. You'll notice the humidity being back a bit overnight tonight. There might be a late night shower thunderstorm. Temperatures down into the 60s to low 70s, warmest in Boston. We are sponsored by Hartney Graymont. Hartney Graymont for all your arbor care needs with offices in Concord, Danvers, Needham, and on Cape Cod, by the way. So then as we head for tomorrow, there's going to be a front approaching. There might be a shower thunderstorm in the afternoon, but I doubt it. Temperatures in the 80s. Right now, the weekend looks pretty nice. Drier on Saturday, low 80s, but back to the mid 80s on Sunday with a little bit more humidity at that point as well. And much of next week just looks kind of warm. I think that, whether or not we eventually cool off, we all know we're going to. But how quickly this happens remains to be seen. So, I'm looking at the European model, for example, and it has many, many days all the way through the first week of September in the 80s. Does that mean every day is going to be in the 80s? No, absolutely not. It also has some wettening of the pattern a little bit in the first week, toward the end of the first week of September, so we'll see whether or not that happens. But until then, if you haven't been to the beach, still plenty of time to do so. We have less daylight, of course, to enjoy it, but all in all, pattern looks pretty nice. Have a great morning, everybody.